Just a quick stop off at my local Dollar General to pick up some trash bags, and here's what I found. Cannot believe how empty they are.
Just a little FYI, folks, stopped at the local Dollar General to pick up totally different stuff, but just thought I'd show you how bare their shelves are. So it's serious, folks. Stack it while you can. Just want to put this out there as an FYI. Here is the Dollar General candy aisle and snack cake aisle, and here is their dollar aisle. Totally empty.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute.
Okay. It just said Melba on it.
I see they got my breakfast and brown sugar.
Right on by.
8/31/2022. Can't get it.
Okay. How do they do it? Any pretty good?
This is their dollar aisle. I'm telling you, folks, starting to get serious. Here is the Dollar General. I'm sorry I said Dollar Tree earlier, but the Dollar General shelves for the canned goods. This place is just a freaking mess. Well, they do have some pasta. This is their canned vegetable aisle, but they don't carry a whole lot anyway. But it's just freaking empty, folks. This is ridiculous. Anyway, just for your consumption, keep an eye out. Here is the sports drinks aisle and the fruit juice aisle and the water aisle. If you can, folks, double your budget, because I think we've got issues in a storm or brewing. Your Dollar Tree stores are like this, but this store is just an effing mess. I mean, look at this crap. Got shit all out in the aisles. This is just ridiculous. And I've complained to Dollar General before, but they don't care. This is definitely one store that's never going to get my business anymore. Y'all have a great day. Well, folks, at this Dollar General, these are the only things I could find that met our criteria of lasting the year. There's by 2024, 2 cans of chili, good till January of 25, and these are the only extended north side dishes. July of 23. So that's all the stuff I could find that gonna last at least a year. All the other stuff was running out this year. So anyway, I'm just just coming out of the Dollar General. We spent what is that, $6.69. We'll just take that off the next week preps, but I'm just getting it while I can. Man, that store's a mess. Just can't believe it. Let me know down in the comments if your Dollar General looks the same way, because I know I've complained and they just don't care. Bye.